All right, guys, what do you think? Mother and niece, I mean sister and the niece.
Yeah, I can't see it. I've seen it inside, but
I'm asking their opinion about your hair.
It's very. Sorry.
You look very young.
Yeah,
Way younger.
you look
Yeah.
She came from London with a
Thank
jet
you.
black hair, and her hair was down here. I have before pictures. It's unbelievable.
yeah, that's so true.
From London, England, to find Mario's hair designers
I
because
have to find him. I have to track down Mario.
because you thanks to your sisters, you are lucky, my friend.
Of course, of course.
Okay, this is the look from the back. All right. She's never had this haircut before, ever.
This is the first.
And you work where in London? Where you work at?
And now
work
she
at the
got one.
Intercontinental London Park Lane. The one near
Excuse me,
Hyde
wow.
Park.
That's expensive.
Not really. You could afford it,
Is
Mario.
that close to the Covent Garden or Knightsbridge
Closer to
Earl
Knightsbridge.
Court Station?
Closer to Knightsbridge.
Knightsbridge is expensive.
Yeah, it's the Millionaire's
I
Playground.
was there, the 2000, I mean the 1992, 1993, 1994.
Yeah,
You
all
know,
the
I went to Kent,
Ferraris.
England.
You will see all Ferraris parked in there. Everything is just.
The Russian oligarchs and the
Of course.
Middle Eastern guys.
It is called Little Hawaii on the in summer. That area there, because you know it's where Harrods is.
All right, let's talk about your hair. Forget about it.
Okay, let's forget about it. I would tell
Her hair
you.
was jet black,
Yes.
and she had this. Come closer. She had this henna-like color here. So I went in, removed the dark colors with the
Right.
color removers, and after an hour, keeping her under the wrap with the saran wrap and putting her under the hair bath color processor, the steamer, and then I removed it. I formulated the color for her roots. Three shades with ash, blue, brown, and slight beige.
Which is amazing.
Amazing.
And then I applied it on the root because the mid shaft ends they were still dark. And then I did my 20 volume Schwarzkopf lightener. Foiled the whole head, kept her about 30 minutes, and then I did a glaze on her hair. Just sit back, chin down, super. Did the glaze all over, kept it another 15-20 minutes, and then I'm
There you
retouching
go.
her haircut because her haircut was definitely amazingly different than this haircut. And she told me just do what you want, Mario. And I love that because when someone gives me that freedom, when my vision, my imagination.
Run.
Can I just
Runs.
say something? Can I just say something?
Okay.
Yeah, you know Harry Potter from England, yeah? I would say now that here we've got Mario the hair wizard. He is a real wizard. Wizardry taken to the
I
next
just keep your eyes over here in no time, right?
Yes.
You guys were 10 a.m. over here.
Exactly,
Yes.
but it's worth all the way.
See, there are hairdressers waiting on the chair. Oh, customers.
Yeah.
They walked in, I saw the need. It was one customer turned into three.
This
I
is
turned
actually,
in
this is
the-
actually a transformation. Transformation.
And they're all giving me 5-star review,
I just
Yes.
did.
Google review. You did?
Yes, I just did. Have a look. Have a look.
I don't have time to look.
Yeah, I know, right? Matt is really busy. Very busy.
Really, it's an art.
Yes, yes.
What would we call this hairstyle,
This
Mario?
is a bob.
A layered
haircut,
bob?
but- and very elevation and angles and graduation in the bottom. Keep the foundation of the haircut perfectly perfect.
Awesome.
And then meantime
Awesome.
you have a lot of movement. Because
Yes.
our skull is curved. And
Yes.
everything curved. The nose, the lip, the mouth, the teeth, the cheek, chin, eye, eyebrow, everything is all curved. So you can't just make a black haircut, expect for it to flow in the future. That's why I always say, I'm not cutting here, I'm not styling here. I'm not coloring hair, but I'm designing it. So everything I do, it's all coordination.
True,
Coordination.
true.
We gotta start with the raw canvas and transform it.
Correct.
So otherwise, you know, I'm just another rookie on the corner. That's not how I roll.
No, you're not.
It's tailored to your features and the shape of your face,
Exactly. Exactly.
your skin tone,
True. True.
Eye color,
eye color.
Even.
T-zone, cheek, chin, bone structure. You know, she has that beautiful Asian features. She's a Mare from Filipino.
Filipino, and this guy here is a hair scientist.
Mabuhay, Philippines.
Thank you. God bless you. May the blessings of heaven rest upon each and every one of us. My brotherly, sisterly love prevail in every moral and social religious standards. Come over here. We gotta remember each other always, okay?
Of course, we should.
And always remember Masonic Children Home in Macon. That's where the kids needs more love.
True.
That love accomplished with money. So make donations.
Yeah. True. We will.
And there's another thing called this Saturday I'll be finishing up my Scottish Rite degree. It's called Right Care for another
Right
for the
Care.
children. Right Care.
Oh. Yeah.
So they need it.
Yes, of course.
It's
Yeah.
the only way the life can be better for children with the less fortunate.
Yes.
Lack of
And you know
lack
what
of
they
blessing
say?
from the good
To
people.
them who is given more, you were given more by way of talent, you are obliged to give more as well.
Bless you.
That's the thing.
Okay, let's see my sweetheart. Will you turn around and stand up here? Stand up and look at the margins here and stand down. Let me look at this.
Yes. Yes.
Keep your
Mama
body
Sita.
balanced. Okay, go step forward and keep your legs and drop your arm. No, you're not
Drop
keeping
your
your
arm.
legs together. You're not in the karate movement here. Bring them together. And do this.
All right.
Miyagi-san.
Very
I actually
nice
like the broken comb
color.
because it helps me bring the hair back. After all, that's not a bad choice. It is what it is, and what can I say? The world go in different directions because quality down. Quality down. That's why some of us have to make that quality stand. That way we can make a difference. Tito, come here.
Tito.
Maybe he wants to go pee.
Right, come on.
Please.
I'll take it.
Okay? You're a nurse and you're a gift. You're a blessing. We love
She likes to
nurses.
help people.
Oh, she's an angel. So she helped raise you, my friend. I know your grandparents did too. Every grandpa has to make a difference in a child's life.
Oh, so true.
Yeah.
They spoil the
Forever-
kids.
Forever grateful.
They're the spoilers.
Yeah.
They spoil their grandchildren.
Yeah, my mom raised my nephew since he was 5 years old. I mean, 5 months. The mom took off and my mom went to work. I kid you not. My mom took care of my nephew since he was 5 months.
They
Now
were
he's
30.
24. He's going to become a psychologist.
Amazing. See?
Yeah,
And
he's a
those
sweetheart.
are raised by grandparents. Usually turn out to be
I'm
grandparents.
going to take him a backpack. That's what he wants first. He came from school one day and he made me this vegetable dish
Oh.
until 11 and I fell asleep. I woke up and ate it for breakfast. So he deserves every gift I can take for him. See guys, look at this gorgeous colors. There are a lot of beautiful variation of tones. You know, this the darker ones has a flat the blue and an ash combined with beautiful soft, and the cut has to be the perfect finish of the hair color so that the hair color can really speak its own
It's own
finish.
language.
Its own language. Voila.
You got some
I forgot you were a
reds.
lawyer. Excuse-moi. I know you at work, but you study law.
Yeah, I did. I had the degree, but I wasn't able to practice.
Oh, so. Well, it's all good. You have the driver license, but you're still walking, no problem.
Yeah.
But you can always drive.
Yeah, it's choices.
Voila.
Shake it for me. Look at that guy driving his crap. Love, peace, and hair. Come see us. We make